Hello all, welcome to the day 7 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. The school auditorium was to be constructed to accommodate at least 1500 people. The chairs are to be placed in concentric circular arrangement in such a way that each succeeding circular row has 10 seats more than the previous one. Question 1. If the first circular row has 30 seats, how many seats will be there in the 10th row? A is 30 and the difference is 10. The AP is 30, 40, 50 and so on. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A is 30 plus 9 times 10. 30 plus 90, which is 120, which means there are 120 seats in the 10th row. Question 2. For 1500 seats in the auditorium, how many rows need to be there? Total seats in the auditorium is 1500. Sn is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, which is 1500. N is what we have to figure out. A is 30 plus n minus 1 times 10. N times 60 plus 10n minus 10, which is equal to, the 2 goes on the right side and it becomes 3000. N times 50 plus 10n is equal to 3000. On expanding the LHS, we get 10n square plus 50n minus 3000 is equal to 0. Dividing the entire equation by 10, we get n square plus 5n minus 300. Factorizing this equation using splitting the middle term, we get n square plus 20n minus 15n minus 300 is equal to 0. N times n plus 20 minus 15 times n plus 20, that is n minus 15 times n plus 20 is equal to 0, which means n minus 15 is equal to 0 or n plus 20 is equal to 0. We get 15 and minus 20 for n. N denotes the number of rows. It can't be negative. So minus 20 stays invalid. Therefore, n is 15. This means 15 rows are needed to arrange 1500 seats. Question 3. If 1500 seats are to be arranged in the auditorium, how many seats are still left to be put after the 10th row? Yes, 10 is equal to 10 by 2 times 2 times 30 plus 9 times 10, which is 5 times 60 plus 90, 750. So seats left are 1500 minus this 750 seats, which is 750. Question number 4. If there are 17 rows in the auditorium, how many seats would there be in the middle row? Total rows is equal to 17. Middle row number can be got by 17 plus 1 by 2, which is 9. So 9 is the middle row. A9 is equal to A plus 8D. 30 plus 8 times 10, which is 110, which means the middle row has 110 seats if the total number of rows are 17. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.